Alright, I'm gonna assume that the stream is actually working now. Because I see a stream on the YouTube side. Alright. ghostbsd. I'm installing it in a VM because why not? I don't know anything about ghostbsd other than the time that I made a video like shit posting where I just meme on all their sponsors. So this should be good, I think. Yeah. Can I put an emoji in it? I can. That's good. That's very good. I really like being able to put an emoji in my VM name. God. Alright. So I think ghostbsd probably supports UEFI. I'd be very surprised if it didn't. Okay. Don't use dynamic memory. Let me just double check that I have that much free actually. Okay, I do. It should work. Cool. Configure networking. Default switch. Virtual hard disk. I doubt it needs more than like. Should probably check actually. Let's see. How much space do I have? I can probably give it like the 50 gigs that I want to give it. Cool. 50 whole gigabytes of space. Okay. Installations. Alright. There we go. That should work. Alright. Let's go. I also probably want to give it like more vCPUs. Okay. Cool. So I've got my 50 gig dynamic. Alright. ghostbsd. I have no idea what to expect. Should be able to assign. Yeah, there it goes. It assigned the memory. I had enough free. Yeah. This is ghostbsd, I think. It's running, apparently. Well, it's using CPU. I assume it's just dumping itself into memory. Because that's what these bootable images do. They just dump themselves into memory and don't actually use the storage that they're running off of. That's okay. Let's see. Is it actually going to boot? Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. I forgot to change the setting. Okay, let's just turn off. Okay. I forgot to change the secure boot setting. Don't enable secure boot. That's the problem, hey. There we go. Exiting mid. Wait, shit. 4. Okay. Reset. Let me just not go out of that. Boot multi-user. Okay. Replicate system image to swap based mem disk. It says it wants at least 4 gigs, and it has 4 gigs, so it better not complain at me. If it complains at me, I'm going to complain at it. Two 2.4. Oh no. Oh, 2.5. Okay. It's loading a memory and network stack. Cool. Vesa? Okay. That's a great start. That's a great start right there. www web browser not found. I can't open the help file because there's no browser. Okay, let's reset and pick something else. um I don't know what I'm meant to be doing. What am I meant to pick? Maybe I should have like actually looked up like what ghostbsd actually requires to run in a VM. At least this doesn't take too long, I guess. 2.6 gigabytes. Wow, DHCP offer. It has an IP. What is it meant to be presenting as my okay. I don't know. All right. Let me do some Googling on a different screen and see what I'm meant to be doing. Cuz I genuinely don't know. Okay. ghostbsd xorg Hyper-V. That should get me the right info, presumably. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. I might not be able to actually install it in a VM unless I use okay. All right. Let's look at the second result from the internet. ghostbsd 4.0 beta and Hyper-V 2012 R2. Okay. All right. That is not a useful response. Okay. All right. Okay. I've looked into it and it seems that I don't think any of these are going to work. Xconfig complete. Wait, I need the intel. Okay. The problem is that the mouse doesn't work now. Okay. Mouse input not captured. Keyboard input captured. So, is there an option to actually... No, there is not. Um, this might take a little while because I'm not quite sure what I'm meant to do here. Okay. ghostbsd, cursor not working, Hyper-V. Wow. Mouse cannot work on Hyper-V VM. Okay, that one. Here's one from 2022. Oh, let's see. What does this forum say? Bugs.freebsd. I love the answers here. Oh, if you want to use Hyper-V with FreeBSD, don't. Okay. Guess it's my fault for try. Cool. I guess I need to delete it. And make a new VM. Cool. Generation 1. Let's see if that works. Why am I even bothering? This is a meme. This is a meme. Okay, deleted the hard disk. Alright. Install the operating system from here. Okay. Finish. Alright. Let's try again. Okay. None of that. Okay. Let's give it 4 cores. That should be fine then. Will it work? Okay, the screen is tiny, but yes, it will work. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Wow. Oh, will this take longer because it's not Gen 2 now? Okay. That's very fun. Thank you, ghostbsd. 55 megabytes a second to create the RAM disk, huh? So here's the deal. This is moving it from an ISO image on an NVMe SSD. I mean, it's a Gen 3. It's not a Gen 4 NVMe, but and it's moving it into like 3200 mega transfers RAM, and it's this slow. Why? Do I need to upgrade to Ryzen 5000? Is this what this is telling me? Okay. Starting dev D. Oh god, I'm gonna have to try and figure out the right desktop again. Surely Intel, right? It'd be this. Oh, it is the same. Oh my god, I have a mouse. Okay. How the fuck do I actually escape my... Fuck. My mouse cursor is stuck in here now. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to Google how to get my mouse cursor back. Release cursor Hyper-V. What is the key combo? Control Alt left arrow. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. View, zoom level, auto. Okay. Control Alt left arrow. Let's just do this. Okay, maybe not. Can I make my zoom level like 125? That's tolerable. Okay. Let's install ghostbsd now. Cause that's what people came here to see. That's what everybody wants to see. Ghostbsd. Why is it asking which keyboard I use? Okay, do they have the Keychron K8? No, they do not. Type here to test your keyboard. Okay. Generic. I don't know which one it's meant to. I'll just tell it that I have a full. That one. Okay, I don't have a keyboard. I have a mouse but no keyboard. ghostbsd. Thank you. I think everyone wants ghostbsd. God. Okay. English Australian. Is it gonna actually? It's not going to, is it? Keyboard input not captured. It really doesn't want to work, does it? Okay. Surely there's a on-screen keyboard, right? Surely. I don't think there is. I really don't think there is. That's networking. What are the dots? There's nothing there. System. God, where do I even hardware? Keyboard. Accessibility. There's no on-screen keyboard, is there? Okay. Okay. That's assistive technologies. Will that give me an keyboard accessibility? No. Why? 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 What if someone literally does not have the hand coordination to type on a keyboard, but they can if they have an on-screen keyboard? Like, I guess they can go fuck themselves if they don't. Wait, I can't close this, can I? My screen's not big enough to close this. Okay, I can right-click the title bar. Okay. When I created the idea for this stream, I was like, oh, this will be funny. It'll be like half an hour of like installing ghostbsd in a VM. It clearly is more than half an hour of installing ghostbsd in a VM. I have to debug what all these issues are. Let's just read the Microsoft support article. Best practices. All right. Let's see if Microsoft can help me where ghostbsd can't. Okay, applies to Hyper-V server, Windows 10. Oh, this doesn't apply to Windows 11, but no. Alright. I could address spoofing, disk devices, plus network adapter. Okay. Holy shit. What version of BSD is this based on? Ghost B $D. Thank you. No, that's about mate. Control center. Let's go. Station tweak. See, I wish I could just... Yeah. Yeah. I might have to actually get a real physical machine for this. That might be what needs to happen here. Okay. I can change the theme at least. That's good. Monterey. No. Wait, why is Australia separate from Pacific? Oh, God. Okay. Please select OneDrive. Okay. Alright. Password. I can't type. I can't type a password. Holy shit. Okay. Alright. What if I, instead of installing ghostbsd, I'll download I'll download just FreeBSD instead. Okay. Alright. Let's see if FreeBSD works better. Because get FreeBSD download. CD, DVD, network install. Install virtual machine images. Aha. That might be what I want. PhD. Okay. Let's download an AMD 64. Oh wait, no. Okay. Virtual hard disk. I should probably double check what it wants me for. Okay, VHD is what I need. Cool. I love downloading like 6 gigs for an image of FreeBSD. That's so cool. Oh wait, I misread. It's actually 640 megabytes. That's much better. This is certainly a journey, isn't it? This is a wonderful, wonderful journey. Aren't we all glad to be going along for it? Okay. 30 seconds left until FreeBSD is done. You know what? Maybe I should just see install ghostbsd and Hyper-V. Is that a thing that's people... Installation guide. Okay. They do have an installation guide. Cool. No, it doesn't actually have anything helpful for Hyper-V. Why? Fucking why? I just wanted ghostbsd. Okay. Import virtual machine. Alright. Does it actually... Oh, wait, no. Wait, is my other drive disk... What the fuck? Alright, one of my drives just isn't real, apparently. Okay. New virtual machine. I'm just gonna call it new virtual machine, hey. That seems to be... That seems to be fine, I think. Holy fuck. Alright, use an existing one. Where the fuck did I save it? I saved it here, didn't I? Nope, I saved it under... Oh, I did save it under documents. 7-zip. Extract here. Okay, there we go. I'm just boosted, I guess. Description. So this is happening. Oh, okay, it's actually happy now. Inserting the disk into the drive. How very appropriate. This is a PG-13 stream. Who am I kidding? It's not PG-13. I don't particularly want minors watching my streams. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. But that's okay. Will this boost? Oh shit, it's FreeBSD. It's not ghostbsd anymore, it's FreeBSD. Because hopefully this will work. Who knows? Okay. This was a disk image for Hyper-V. So presumably it will actually work. But we'll see. Log in. No, does it not have a... It doesn't have a GUI, does it? It doesn't have a GUI. Okay. So what does man here? What is the command man hier? Hier steht ein Mann. Ist so groß. Super groß. Repeat. Oh, this is freedom. You get yeah. It's BSD and it's free. Yes, this is not really going as well as it, huh? Okay. Well. Okay. Do I get a physical machine and plug the capture card stuff in and try and install on that? Actually, I can make a poll. There we go. I will put that poll there. What will the community decide? Because I don't know. I don't know if I want to spend the time doing that. If people think that I should, then I will. And if no one responds to the poll, then I probably will anyway. So it's a win-win scenario here. Okay. One vote. Yes. That's what I like to see. Oh god. Okay. Um I guess I have to go do that then. Um 50-50. Ooh. The vote has intensified. Will there be a tiebreak or will I be the tiebreak? Let's find out. Although I guess I can I mean, if I have a stream where I say I'm installing ghostbsd and I don't install it though, that's kind of false advertising, right? So I kind of have to. But I'll see. There's 3 concurrents. Oh, never mind. It's dropped back down to 2, and there's 2 votes. Everyone's voted. Okay. All right. I guess that's what's happening. Probably find a USB to put this on so I can boot it. All right. Fuck. What USBs do I even have? I could also burn a disk. I'll burn a disk on the machine that I want to install it on. That would be amusing, to say the least. All right. Well, looks like that poll's gonna end on a 50-50. I doubt I'll get any more votes. But as the tiebreak vote, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just yeah, get a USB, get a ghostbsd installer on a USB, and then yeah. Swear I had more USBs though. I have a distinct lack of random USBs that I can use. Yeah, none down there. Unfortunate. Alright. I guess I'll have to use one of my nice big 16 gig USBs. That's okay though. That's fine. Should probably check what's on them though first, hey. This USB. Let me just get another laptop so I don't show off what's on the USB to all 2 people watching. All right. Cool. USB. What side is there's the USB port? Okay. What is on this USB? This USB has Ubuntu 2004.4 LTS. Cool. That's what that is. 2004.4 LTS. Why do I still have 20? Actually, yeah, why wouldn't I? 2004.4 is like way more stable. Okay. No, it's not gonna find it. Fine. do it myself. Okay. I have a folder for ISO files, and I didn't actually put ghostbsd into that folder, which is funny. And there it is. Okay. Rufus 3.17. Let's copy that across to my documents folder. Let's launch it. Okay. There we go. Alright, I'm briefly going to just not exist while I plug this in because the USB ports on my computer are like up over there. So. Okay. Alright, I exist again. Don't care about the update. No label. Select. Let's not show off everything that I have. Okay. ghostbsd. Ooh. Yes. It's specifically DD image write mode. Alright. I guess everybody can take a look at ghostbsd being written. This drive contains multiple partitions. Yes, I am aware. Cool. Okay. I will grab another machine. Cool. All right. Okay, I have a laptop. There is a laptop in my lap, as a matter of fact. Also need to replace the drive in this with a drive that, you know, actually has nothing. Because this laptop does have a disk drive within it that has things on it. Okay. Let's see. This laptop's really nice in the way that it, you know, is very easy to open up and replace stuff inside. Very, very much appreciated. Okay. Yeah. Laptopy bits. Oh wait, I shouldn't put stuff on top of the screwdriver. That's not where I want to be putting things. When I want to be using my iFixit tools, I shouldn't be putting things on top of my iFixit tools. Alright. I need just a regular screwdriver. Cool. Regular screwdriver acquired. Okay. And another random disk drive also acquired. Cool. Alright, the boot disk has been created. It's always good to know. Okay. So this needs this one out. And this one out. And then one more screw on this one. I really should have included hand cam. You know what? It's not too late to include hand cam. You know what? Yes, I'm just going to do. Okay, I have hand cam again. The question is though, does my hand cam actual thing have? Oh, cool. Yes, I still have this. Now, that. Aha. Okay. This is a laptop in my lap. That's a hand. Wow. Um, how do I actually position this phone to be able to see things? I don't know. Another question is, oh, I put my screwdriver over here. I fix it. So good. There we go. That's a drive. Is that not unscrewed enough? Wow, Samsung. How am I going to do this one-handed though? Because I have like these 4 screws that I need to unscrew. I really should have thought this through more. Oh, I know what to do. Okay, I have my stack of Bloomin' to You mango. That will work as an excellent place to put my my phone that I'm using to point at my actual lap. Okay. No. Okay. Now, now I actually can do things with 2 hands. All right, let's close that back up. Let's get this actually unscrewed. I actually can't oh, that's a screw. All right. Can I work based on that? Potentially. No, I can't. I need to actually be looking at it. I can't do... I would not be a very good remote keyhole surgeon because I need to actually be looking at my hands and what they're doing to be able to do things. Wow, it's a screw. Alright, I'll have to be careful with this SSD because it has Windows 7 on it. And it's like got the totally legit ESM patches. Okay, one more screwed on. Now we free this SSD from its jail in this. Wow. It's a Samsung 840 EVO from like a decade ago. How cool is that? Alright, and now we have a Toshiba something or other from 12 years ago. At least. How does this even install anyway? Okay, so we've got the thing here. That goes there. That goes like that. Okay. So in order to install it in the sled, it needs to be oriented like so. So then if I put it there... Wait, what way is that? Yes, that is correct. It is the correct orientation. It's gay. That's the correct orientation. And if you want to call that bi-erasure, come at me. Oh yeah, speaking of bi-erasure, while I'm screwing things in, Edelgard is like exclusively a lesbian, by the way, and that's okay because there are characters that are like bi in Three Houses and Three Hopes as well. Like Dorothea is a bicon. She's like flirty with both dudes and women, and that's cool. She's bi. There's Shamir, who like openly states that she likes you know, or that she has liked in the past both men and women. So there's another bi character, and if you want to buy a dude, there's what's his name? I guess Byleth technically, male Byleth, but male Byleth doesn't exist. Male Byleth is just a figment of people's collective imagination. Female Byleth is the only one that actually exists. I really hope this drive doesn't actually have anything on it. I doubt it does. I really doubt it does, but it might. It might just randomly have stuff on it. Okay, I'm going to remove the books real quick because I can, in fact, hold it up above there. Oh god, no, don't fall off my desk. Okay. I can do the rest of this while holding a device up above it. Okay. So first things first, these 3 screws again, which you didn't see the first time because I didn't have hand cam on yet. Okay, and then this one over here. Okay. That is a disk drive. I guess I could also just point it at the lap screen itself. You know what? Yeah. I actually did set up, while I was grabbing the laptop, I did set up the capture card stuff. But it would be funnier if I just did stuff one-handed on the laptop and instead just pointed it at the screen. That would be comedy. And I pride myself on comedy. Also, I fix it, by the way. But imagine if I actually got sponsored by iFixit because of this, because I showed that you can that's not the one. that you can take a laptop apart. First VTuber sponsored by iFixit, because I do videos where I remove the insides of a laptop. That would really be something. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn hand cam off for a sec though, in order to plug this laptop into the power, because yeah, it doesn't turn on its own. It needs to be plugged into the power because it's older than some people I see on Discord, which is sad. That's and I bought this laptop of my own volition when it was new, or well, like a year or two old, right? That's fucked up. That's actually fucked up. All right, I've got a cable. It's not visible because I don't have hand cam on, but I'm holding a cable. Can I plug this in? All right. I shall plug it in up above. Above seems like a good spot to plug it in. All right. I'm gonna just mute myself again for a sec. Okay. Laptop power has been acquired. Okay. Oh, I need to grab the USB from up above as well. I didn't do that, did I? There's a USB. I have a USB now. All right. Let's get this show on the road. Hey. Let me just All right. Let's turn the webcam back on. There we go. I think this is the perfect way of experiencing escape key for startup menu. Okay. Boot device options. That thing. Let's see it boot again. Where is ghostbsd? Oh. What is it doing? Escape key for startup menu. Boot device options. USB. Hello. Please boot from the USB. Why? Why does it refuse? Why does it hate me? What even is my password? I can't even get into the BIOS because I don't know the password. Okay. This is not the greatest ghostbsd install of all time. Actually, one of the other users. Surely that will Was it on my other hand, I wonder? I don't even know. I like how it just has a image of a fingerprint, by the way. That's very cool. How the fuck is this meant to work? I guess it's not meant to work. It's ghostbsd. It's meant to be a friendly way of installing BSD. And yet It just does not. USB hard drive. No. Alright, let's try plugging it into a different port. Because those are probably like USB 3.0 or some bullshit. Okay. That's a different port now. Escape key. Boot device. Yeah. No. That's not what it likes. Okay, then. Well. Fuck. Okay, this screen. That's what I wanted. Alright. Okay. I tried my best. Was my best good enough? I don't know. But I sure tried. And the fact that I didn't succeed is more on ghostbsd than on me, I believe. I don't like okay. What am I meant to do when BSD within a VM refuses to use the keyboard, and when I try and install it on a real machine, it just refuses to boot from my USB? Like, what am I meant to do? I think I just give up, right? Like, I can't do anything else. Because, well, when you try so hard and you still don't succeed, you might as well okay, you know what'd be fun? What would be actually fun and doesn't involve ghostbsd? Let's see comparatively how much easier it is to install not Arch, because that I can't. You actually can't install Arch in delete. Should probably delete all the random virtual disks it's been making as well. Okay. Anyway, I'll do that later. New virtual machine. So this is what it takes to install Ubuntu. Let's do Ubuntu. Gen 2. 4096. No dynamic memory. Connect to the default switch. And where is, I don't want 128, I want like 50 again. Okay. I'll have to pull the install media over the network, but that's okay. I'll go into my documents, my ISO files, and then I'll see. What do I actually have? What versions of Ubuntu? Ubuntu unit. Ooh, okay. This is an actual interesting one. Okay. All right. Let's install Ubuntu. Can it not find this? Fine. I will copy the ISO to my documents folder. Wow. So cool. Thank you, Windows. Much appreciated. Also my avatar is lagging a little bit because I'm transferring over my network. Lovely. Actually, hold on. Let me just disappear until my network stops being saturated. For a minute and 45 seconds. Anyway, I should probably explain what I'm copying because that's, yeah. We're going to be looking at how easy Ubuntu is to install compared to ghostbsd. And specifically, this is Ubuntu using a fork of the Unity desktop environment that was dropped about 6 years ago, I believe. I think 16.04, the 2016 release, was actually the last version that had a the last version to have the Unity desktop environment. I actually miss Unity. Unity was like nice. Well, nicer than people give it credit for, I guess. Because yeah, people decided to bring it back. Okay. What a moment. Okay. Come on. About 60 seconds left. If my internet was this fast, I'd be happy. But considering that it's not my internet that's this fast, and it is in fact uh, a network transfer. I have gigabit between these two devices, by the way. There is literally a gigabit connection connecting one end of the computer to the other. But instead I'm getting like, oh, a couple hundred megabits. Okay. Alright, I should be, yep, I'm not laggy anymore. Cool. Copy this path. Next, finish. That should do it. Okay. Ubuntu. First off, I need to give it enough processes to actually be able to do things. Secure boot. Secure boot will actually work, but because it's Ubuntu. I'm not gonna include that. Fuck secure boot. The only time secure boot should actually be used is if you are using a laptop or a high value target. Okay, Ubuntu Unity. Wow, would you look at that? It supports standard UEFI. Wow, that's something we didn't see with ghostbsd. Well, I guess this is technically Plymouth, the boot logo animator thing, which somehow it refuses to work on Arch, by the way, because I use Arch, by the way. All right, where's my GUI? I want a GUI. Ubuntu, hello, give me my GUI, my GUI, a graphical user interface. Mm. Okay. It's apparently still doing things. Yep, there it goes. Cool. Here's a mouse cursor. Did you know that Linux has mouse cursors too? Wow. Oh, I don't have one anymore. That's sad. That's so sad. Oh, it disappeared because I didn't do anything. My CPU usage. It's still doing stuff in the background, I assume. Actually, I could just move this up. There's that. There we go. Good old Unity. Who else remembers when Unity existed? And it's great because this is wait, applications. Oh, that's like what, like everything, applications, files, videos, music, photos. Nice. All right, let's see how long this takes to install. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. Maybe it takes a little bit long to install. I don't fucking know. Here we go. Let's fuck with people a little bit. Me sneezing. That's what will fuck with people. Installing Ubuntu Unity in Romanian. Let me just set it to the English US keyboard though. Yes. So if I do that. Okay. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Perfect. Continue. Wait, what the hell? Why is part of it in English and part of it in Romanian? Excuse me, I clicked Romanian. So I want games. I want video games. But why is it partly in Romanian? Partly in English. Other options. Descărcați, actualizare în timpul instalării Ubuntu. Acest lucru economisește timp după instalare. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware with additional media formats. Wait. I didn't realize this second subheading is in Romanian though. Acest software este subiectul unor termeni de licențiere incluși în documentația sa. Unii sunt proprietari. Okay. Cool. I want to be able to use my computer. Yes. Alright. Avertisment. Această acțiune va șterge toate programele, documentele, fotografiile, muzică, precum și celelalte fișiere din toate sistemele de operare. So true. That's so true. Okay. I didn't realize this menu could be in Romanian, but nice. Yes. Do you want to write to disk? I do in fact want to write to disk because I want to install. That's what I'm doing. Hello. Okay. I am in fact in Melbourne. It probably got that from my IP. Numele dumneavoastră. That's me. Wait. Alright. I thought that calling a computer a calculator was a family in joke in my family. That's genuinely how they localize it. Okay. Let's look it up in a dictionary. I have had my world rocked. Do people genuinely refer to computers as calculatoare in Romanian? Because I refuse to believe that that's true. There's no way that's an actual localization and not just like oh, Firefox is ready. Okay. Damn, this is a laggy. All right. We need the dictionary. All right. Calculator. What? I My world has been rocked. Calculator electronic. What? It's actually called a calculator in Romanian. Computer familial. Microcalculator pentru prelucrarea și vizualizarea informațiilor provenite de la o serie de periferice specific aplicațiilor familiale. Thanks for the Romanian flags in the chat that are totally not Chad flags. Oh wait, no, they are Romanian flags. Holy shit. I had no idea. I had no idea that that's actually what it's called. Okay. I'll pull up. Yeah. Parola slaba. No. The password isn't skinny. I'm going to choose to refer to it as skinny, even though slob can also refer to weak. I'm going to call it a skinny password and say that no, I'm the skinny one. As I do be a skinny white girl. I mean, my avatar is not too far off from me. Apart from the green hair and purple eyes and makeup and fangs. Yeah. So it's basically me. If you haven't watched my latest actual proper edited video, you should, because I'm actually quite proud of it, and you get to see what I do look like. It wasn't specifically intended as like a face reveal video. I just felt that thematically it would work best to do it that way. And I do feel proud of the end result. So do check it out if you haven't already. Yeah. I've had some feedback on it saying that even though the person watching it did not care at all about the topic, they still found it engaging. So that's good, right? Alright. Copying files is almost done. Fuck. I can't wait. Okay, those shortcuts don't do shit. Rapid și plină de noutăți. Ultima versiune de Ubuntu face utilizarea calculatorului mai ușoară ca oricând. Wow, I love it when Ubuntu makes using my computer easier than ever. Here there are a few amazing things to see. That's not Romanian. That's not Romanian, that's just English. Excuse me. I picked Romanian as my language. Wait. Why is this English and this Romanian? Am I going to have to contribute to Ubuntu for their localizations? I'm gonna localize the installer to actually fully be in Romanian, huh? That's gonna be my one open source contribution, huh? Okay. There's a typo. It would be based, which is probably why I will eventually do it. I mean, I gotta have shit on my resume. but yeah, there's a typo here. The correct way of phrasing the sentence would be Ubuntu vine cu următorul player de muzică rhythm box. Yeah. Yeah, that's următorul. Uimitorul is not the word. Cu opțiunea avansată de redare este simplu să creezi cozi de redare a melodiilor perfecte. Și funcționează grozav cu CD-uri și dispozitive media portabile. Astfel te poți bucura de toată muzica ta oricând ai merge. Oriunde ai merge. Wait, no. It's not whenever you go. It's wherever you go. I wonder if I could slip that in though. Just like imply that people that use Rhythmbox can listen to their music whenever they go, because everyone that uses Ubuntu is a time traveler. Okay. This is in English again. Why is it in English? Jeez. Okay. Ubuntu include Firefox. No. It is actually related, but that is how you would say that. Ubuntu include Firefox. I mean, to get the meaning across, I would probably not translate it like that, because translation and localization are like. Okay. Let's go. Localization rant. Okay. Translating something into another language is an art. You have to translate what the intention is, right? What this is wanting to communicate is that Ubuntu has Firefox as its stop changing. What it wants to communicate, what it intends to say is that Ubuntu has Firefox, a browser used by millions of people around the world, right? Yeah. I think that this translation is more literal than meaning based. Like, you could make a more interesting Romanian sounding sentence and translation and get the intention across to say, wow, Ubuntu includes Firefox, which is used by so many people. And the way you'd say that would probably be Ubuntu are Firefox. Browserul web ales ale milioane de oameni din întreaga lume, right? You want to get across that meaning of this is a browser that lots of people choose, and Ubuntu, it comes with it, right? And so it's an art, right? Like, someone else could come across this and say, no, I want it to be, I believe that what should be conveyed here is this, right? I want to be more literal, is what someone else could say, right? And there is no right or wrong answer, except for my answer. My answer is always right. But translation is not a science. It's very much an art. And if you're translating something, you can't be the only person that works on it, really, in my opinion at least, because you need to have multiple perspectives to create a nice piece of art, right? You need to have multiple people being there to look at what meaning are we trying to convey? What is the original text in English, for example, trying to say? And by translating it very literally, like, sure, you have the same literal words, but do you have the same feeling in Romanian? And the answer is no. This feels a little bit like, it feels like it's talking up at you. It feels like it's kind of very formal, like, yeah. Okay. Am I going to criticize this one as well? LibreOffice este o suită de birou gratuită ce conține tot ce aveți nevoie pentru a crea documente, foi de calcul și prezentări. Compatibil cu formatele fișierelor Microsoft Office, vă oferă toate caracteristicile de care aveți nevoie fără a plăti ceva. That's fine. I would give each program its own kind of voice, right? Because, like, look, Rhythmbox is like kind of a fun, like, it's your music, right? And so, oh, okay. I guess I don't get to critique the translation anymore. Okay, but what I mean to say is Rhythmbox is kind of a fun program, right? And the idea that I think is in the original English in the installer is like, oh, you can take your music with you anywhere and listen to whatever you like and easily make playlists and listen to all your favorite music in Rhythmbox, right? And the translation kind of is like, it feels like it maybe leans a bit more into that than what the Firefox one does. Like, Rhythmbox should be about having fun. And so you make the translation reflect that intention. Anyway, let's restart. Repornește acum. Alright. Ooh. You know what I bet is not translated for anything? Man pages. I do believe that if I open up a terminal and media DVD drive, okay. I do believe that yes, if I were to open up a man page as soon as this boots, even though I've set my language to Romanian, it would just refuse to call. So true. It just would not give me the whoops. That was the wrong control. Oh wait, I want to control T. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Everything CLI is just English. So if I do like that. Wait. Ooh, this is in Romanian. Aceste comenzi shell sunt definite intern. Tastați help pentru a vedea lista lor. Tastați help nume. Okay. Surely they would have like a little thing if you set your language in the installer. Like, surely you can go into your like into here, right? And like surely you can just add a line like at the end, like hit them with a localization aliasing, and then hit it with a alias equals help, right? That's the format for aliases. Oh fuck. Right. So if I open it again. Okay, I don't know the format for making a alias, huh? Okay, what is the actual formatting? Alias that equals, I guess it needs to be that, huh? Like, how hard was that? That's one line in the bash RC. One line, and it would be just nice. Eh? So this is where Windows wins, right? Like, I hate to say it, but like Windows and Mac OS, honestly. Like, if I set my language to, you know, to Romanian on my computer or on my phone, right? I don't randomly find stuff in English, right? Like what is this menu? Why does it have English randomly? Sonnet. Okay. This is fine. This is like Engleza, sua. It will never not be funny to me that in Romanian, the short way of saying United States is sua, which sounds exactly like sewer, which is the English word for a sewer. All right. Ooh, hello. Here's some more English they didn't localize. Cool. What? Here's something else that isn't localized. Wow. Oh god. Okay. Let's see accessibility stuff. Does Ubuntu Unity flavor have an on-screen keyboard? Access universal, tastare. Yes, it does. Is it going to appear? Hello. I guess not. But let's pretend that it does work. That's a step towards accessibility that BSD does not have. Or I guess Mate. Let's say it's Mate. It's probably Mate. That's the problem here. Um, sticky keys. Oh, the thingy. Delay between accepting the key press. Ignore pisarilla repete rapide taste. Ignore like rapid presses. And then activate and deactivate accessibility using the keyboard. That's good. Visual alert. Contrast puternik. Yeah, nice. Text modit. Good. Screen reader. I'm pretty sure the screen reader that's built in is not the best though. But anyway, what was the point of this? Is this more accessible? Okay. Is turned from ghostbsd being annoying to install to literally everything is not localized in Ubuntu. No, okay, most things are. Why is it labeled wired? Okay. Is the deal. Why is this not labeled as kablu or Ethernet? Why is it wired in particular? That's another fun little add profile. That's another one that's not localized. Connect automatically. Gee, hello. I only speak Romanian. Chen samna connect automatically. Eu nu înțeleg nimic. Oh wait, I can't read it because I don't know English, huh? Why is the localization of this so half-assed? Like genuinely. Like either like get the whole thing localized. If somebody localized most of it. Like 90% of this. There's so many menus that are in fact like yeah. It's baffling. Why? Online accounts. Security and privacy. Oh my god. Support Limbo. Wow. Okay. Install more of them. I doubt this is going to suddenly fix everything, but... Wait, they're literally... It's literally installing stuff for English. What? What the fuck? Ah, yes. The localization packs weren't installed properly. Let's install more English words. Like, that's what I wanted. More English. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Ok, lima pentru meniuri si ferestre. Okay. How hard was it to write contour online? Too hard. Also, that's not the plural of printers. Printer. Yeah. See, they literally have contour utilizator. Why do they not have contour online? I fucking can't. I really don't understand why this localization is so all over the place. Because, like, this is a revival of Unity, right? Unity probably already was fully localized. And yet... Yeah. Aspect. Imagine the fundal. That's what I like to see. Okay, that's actually pretty nice. Cherry tree and lacones. Tema. Okay, comportament. Cool. Okay. So that's a better operating system than ghostbsd. Hopefully at least part of this was entertaining, because God, was it frustrating to try and install ghostbsd. I truly did not know what I was getting myself into. And in the end, I didn't even install it anyway, did I? But yeah. What have I got coming up? There may be some game streams over the next week. Watch out for those. That's a possible thing. There will definitely be a video about, or a stream, I don't know. I'll see how much content I think there is in it. But I read a cool anthropology paper and I want to share it. It is gender related, obviously, but it's cool. So I'll see about that. Maybe I can incorporate it into something bigger, but we'll look forward to that as well. But until then, I will see you all some other time. Thank you so much for coming, and bye-bye.